Bioenergetics actually saved my life at one point, so it ended up being the foundation of where I wanted to move forward in my practice. I was a personal trainer and a nutrition specialist prior, but I was always missing a key element, and I finally found that bioenergetics was exactly what it was that I was missing. The first time that I saw NES Health results, I was completely amazed. The bioenergetic system that I had used to save my life had shown me the mind-body connection, so I understood it through that, but I did not completely understand it until I saw a NES result. And then when I saw how the mind and body actually work together in synergy, I was completely blown away that something could see so deeply inside of me. It was crazy. My personal experience with bioenergetics was, I had chronic diarrhea for over a year that would not go away. And the doctors could not figure out what was wrong with me after all of the tests. And so it was after I was introduced to bioenergetics that in one treatment, in one day, that whole system changed everything energetically inside of my body, and I stopped chronic diarrhea after 1 year. So it was really, really amazing. NES Health has helped me to attract new patients by allowing me to be able to see inside of people like nothing else can. And I live in Davison, Michigan.